Is it recording? Am I muted? Alright, I don't think I'm any of those. Actually, yeah, I am recording, I think. Alright. Yeah, let's start. With the video. And right now I am not undercover, as you can see. And I'm a little fishy. Today we are going to be talking about the bull shark with a very offensive shortened name that we won't be talking about on this channel. Same with basking shark. I'm gonna be talking about those two later, actually, in one segment of the video. Okay, I'm gonna try not to be salty here. As if I really am. Anyways. Other people are salty, really. And I've made some new friends. Like Sword over here. Who's number 5 right now. That would be useful. Sorry if you hear any weird sounds. It's because it's almost nighttime. And as you know, berries are a really good food. Unreal one. Don't try random berries you found on islands. Okay, so crab is actually better than, horseshoe, so we'll be staying at him for a bit. And eating berries, very good berries. Now the one thing that I always forget to do here is become bat. And I know none of you really suggested it because I don't really get more comments on my videos. But yeah. We're gonna be a bat and annoy people. No, 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 no. 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 Just had to throw that out there. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah, let's die more, I guess, really. That's actually why I don't usually play as Snom, because, I usually get a lot of hate. Oh god. Okay. Okay. The good thing about flying fish is that it has 2 boosts. Instead of, 3. I mean, 2. I mean, 1. Yeah, 1. The most fish at this stage usually have a 1 boost. And can't really boost into the air. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Score! Yay! This is gonna be a long video because, like, come on, everyone doesn't like shark. Nobody likes hammerheads anymore. They just lost all of their reputation, and the only reputation they get is people who want to try out the bull shark. But guess what? Everyone doesn't like bull shark because its ability is overpowered. So yeah, it's a loophole. Basically, I don't know what a loophole is. I really don't know. Okay. Boop. Okay, boop. Okay. Nom, nom, snom. Okay. Oh no. Yes, he's gonna drown. He's gonna drown. No, he didn't drown! Hey there, sword. to point that out. Oops, it zoomed in. Okay. Oh no. Bad strategy. Oh, bad strategy. Yeah, this is the bad strategy, if you were wondering. Ow! Oof, snake escaped. Sword is my friend, I won't attack him. I will attack the snake, though. Okay. Perfect target for eating, really. Ah, no. Perfect non-target for not eating, really. So we're just gonna farm as bad. Because this is a really good place to farm, guys, trust me. They added a new map. All of the maps are now replaced with Sushi FFA, which I hate. I like Doctor Free for All and Snoot's Free for All, but now they just have to throw both of them out of the trash. Into the trash, I mean. God, why do people always escape? I can never just seem to get the bad strategy as good as Shock. Who I kinda hate. They were kind of friends though, who were like mostly enemies, but also frenemies. Ooh, close. Good thing there are apples and berries over here. Die. Die. Die, Mr. Snake. Mr. Snake, you are not allowed to live anymore, Mr. Snake. Oh, another bad friend. Hey. Don't know who just died over there. He's not a friend of mine. Should I mute the chat? I don't know, really. Snack. 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 Eat. I must eat snack. Snack bad. I good. Even though bats are usually a disgrace and I kill them when I'm an eagle. Does that make me a hypocrite? Yes, it does. I really don't know. Die, snack. Snack. Jump. 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 No! Why do they always get away? Also, I'm not going to try to kill that turtle. That turtle is gonna wreck me. It has 60 defense, and I have no armor piercing. Because I'm a fruit bat. These are supposed to be fruit bats, guys. Not murder thing bats. They're not just gonna stab people on purpose. That's not what bats do. Scoot along the floor and kill you. That's what they do. Boom, boom. No, I missed. I'm a disgrace. Also, they buffed a lot of creatures. The pancake, people say they nerfed it, but they only nerfed it over the years, so they didn't really nerf it in this update. Gotta kill this stupid thing. Get over here. Get over here. Loophole. You just made your biggest mistake yet. Or maybe I have. Yup! It's a good thing nobody has a bad word in their name, because demonetization is a thing. I don't know. We don't usually get along. Boop. What? All I have to say to you, boy, is, boy, what did you think when you challenged me, mortal? Jeez, it's only been 10 minutes? Okay. I already have like 200 XP rounding up. Yes, free food. I just love. Okay, yeah, now I have 200 XP. I think I'm ready. Boop. Run from, run from here, Mr. Beaver, with your funny little arms. Yum. Right, run again, but this time into the water. Okay. Yeah, you have to be Hammerhead to be, you know, Thingamabob. Jump, 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 jump. Why? Why? I was doing so good. I was so close. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna be AFK. Okay, back. Just had to do a few adjustments. And oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, no. I'm too cute to die. I'm just a cute little isopod. I'm too cute to be spawn killed. The bad thing about these poor little ducks over here is that yeah, they don't have 2 boosts. They only have 1 boost. So, oh god, he just went flying. Just yeet, yeet, that, yeet. Yeah, that's how he died. Friend. No, 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 no. The hiding. Why? Yay. Yay. Is that the person struggling to do any? Oh, come on. I thought I could get him. No, 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 no. Okay, ink is gone. Better run, better run. Copyright's coming. Oh no. Okay. Managed to somehow make it out of there alive. Boom! I'm just gonna hold this bobbit out of the ground. Okay. I'm gonna stick next to the shipwreck. Because as you can see, you can hide in the shipwreck. So, yes, there are multiple shipwrecks now. Because of player-made maps. Hello there, Josh. What is your name? Blindness. I don't see. Get it? Okay. Shipwreck, 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 shipwreck. Alright, I will tell you about the stuff that it can do. Oh no, whoa, whoa, Oh god, no. This is why you stick to the shipwreck. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. No, no. Why does he have to spawn kill? No. I just want to be Bull Shark. I want to make a video. Oh no. Every shot counts for the Bull Shark. You gotta hit your shots, kid. Oh god. I feel bad. Alright. The cool thing about the bull shark is that it's one of the... Actually, no, I think it's the only shark that can live in the swamp. Look at this. I go in the swamp, and look. I don't lose salinity. I never lose salinity. Because I'm never salty. Unlike most of you people watching this video right now. You're probably all salty. Just kidding, this is a joke. Don't take seriously. Oh, you saw the little icon next to me? That was lifesteal, which is basically the one of the bull shark's passive abilities. Where if it gets below I don't know, like what, how much health? It gets below like 25 health, then it gets 10% lifesteal. If it gets even lower than that, it gets 25 lifesteal. So yeah, I mean not just regular 20 lifesteal, not 25. And if you're wondering, no, it's not complete lifesteal. Because if it was complete lifesteal, then that would be overpowered. Alright, so if it gets below 20. Hold on 1 second. I'm just gonna try to be bull shark again. But once again, I have to tell everyone because it's basically rule. It's in the Bible now, basically, that everyone hates sharks, and bull sharks especially. Okay. No, I don't want to be spawn killed. I'm just a cute little bat. Look at my smug little face. Jump. Jump, 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 jump. So, yeah, I'll tell you. So, the bull shark is really good for handling with, single enemies, teams they suck at going against, because teamers are freaking everywhere. And, yeah. Pretty annoying. Yeah, bull shark is kind of bull. Is that a prey? Or is that a frog? That's prey. That's what it is. Read the Bible. This is not advertising. This is not advertising. So yeah, bull shark is kinda good. In the ocean, there's too many swamp teamers to count. Damn it. So, yeah, I'm just gonna wait around for some prey here. Is that the wild eagle? I'm gonna eat it. No! Oh, you almost got me, but I remember everything about eagle. I know most things. Okay. And just wait for the eagle to come by and land. If it lands, then it's dead. Boom. Hi. Okay. You know what? I think Puff Daddy will be better. Puff Daddy. I'm sorry. Okay, Puff Daddy is one of the best fish in the game, especially for its very low tier that you need to be, because like come on, you only need to be tier 7, I think. No, 8, it's 6, which is even better because like you can kill stuff easier with this thing. So overpowered. Jesus. Okay, let's become an otter. Otter, real good. You. Oh, poor free healing workers bully him. Okay, Shock is here, god damn it. Boop, 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 boop. Let me eat you, Mr. Seagull. Oh crap, now I'm... Dude, oh wait, I shouldn't be saying that here. Oh no, oh no, not a pelican, my worst enemy. My arch nemesis. As a thingamajig. Chop, chop, rob. Boom! 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 Oh, come on! You gotta cut me off so short. Come on! Okay. I'm just gonna try to... Boop! 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 I know I placed Mantis in S tier too, but like, come on, I do more damage than them. Okay. Oh no, you don't lag. Oh no, you don't. Oh god, fungus. Fungo clump. Fungo clump. Alright. As you can see in the lower thing, boost into an animal to leave a scar and make it slower. After that, you move faster and swing in the opposite direction. Leave 3 scars to do 350 damage, which is really overpowered, as you know. Oops. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay, yeah, that's basically all you need to know about the bull shark. Well, I was about to stop recording, but who cares? It's close. She doesn't even have an account. She's not gonna get on the leaderboard of fame. Right, so yeah, that's about all you need to know about the bull shark. Yeah, so goodbye.